Hey y'all, Shay here from Crafting with Shay. You know what today is? Munimade Monday. Yes, you guys, we have a very special painting for you today to review. It's another Kat Fedora, so for everyone that's really enjoying the Kat Fedora artwork from Munimade, we released one last week and we have another one today. So, oh my gosh, I am absolutely in love with this painting for so many reasons. We'll kind of push everything aside and look at the painting in just a minute and all the details. I did want to just introduce myself again in case you are new to the videos and to the channel. My name is Shay and I have a YouTube channel called Crafting with Shay. I do partner with M from Munimade and we create these videos together. But if you want to see more diamond painting content, come and check me out. My channel will be linked down below. And I also did want to announce that since we are looking at a Kat Fedora painting today, I wanted to announce here for everyone to hear it that I'm going to be hosting a Kat Fedora event this July 2025, the whole month of July. So definitely join us, follow my channel, subscribe, and that way you'll get all the details on how that will work, okay? All right, so let's get into this. I feel like I'm talking really fast because I can't wait to show this to you guys. I feel so lucky that I get to show this to you. All right, so let's and you can see all the drills here. We'll cover all those in a minute, but let's just take a look at this. It's a good size, and so I'll have to kind of move it up and down for y'all to see the whole thing. But here's the original artwork. It's called Book Club, and it is licensed artwork from Kat Fedora. And here you've got so many beautiful things going on. You have got, so let's start at the top, okay? So you've got the sun here, these beautiful clouds, these trees that are kind of coming together. You've got the moon. I love these swirly clouds here, and we'll talk about where all the special drills go afterwards, but it just really, it looks cool. You've got the bear here, right? And they're all having a little cup of tea with their books. And so you've got the bear, you've got a deer, you've got a couple of bunnies here. Looks like a mouse. You've got a fox. And again, they all have kind of their tea with the hot steam coming up. There's the pot. They all have their books. Let me show you down here. This is gorgeous down here. You've got all these plants and trees kind of just all coming up with all these beautiful colors. The log from the tree, all the roots. Her artwork is just so beautiful, and it just kind of takes me to, another place. It's very relaxing, very cozy. I love all the colors in the log. So I'm just absolutely in love with this. So if you are if you're a book reader, if you're part of a book club, if you love animals, forest animals, Kat Fedora, all those things just rolled up into one. It's just perfect. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about the details of the painting. Now, what I showed you earlier, this entire thing is a sticker, okay? So you can do several things with it. It's got some details right here. So you can actually cut this off and put this in a logbook if you do a logbook. You can put your start date, your completed date. It is a square, so it's got square-shaped drills. The diamond count is 73,920. The image size is a 60 by 77 in centimeters, and then we have the inches, and there's the SKU number that'll be listed on everything. It does have 78 colors, so it's got a great amount of colors. The ones that you see highlighted right here in a different color, these are going to be your special drills, okay? We have got one, ND stands for shimmer, and it's a light dusting. We'll take a look at those drills. It's a light dusting that she puts on those. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shimmer drills, and then 1, 2, 3 ABs, and that's Aurora Borealis, and it's a heavier coating on those drills. And then of course you've got some, blank labels here. These labels are great. They are individually cut, so you can just peel them right off and put them on your storage containers if you kit up. And I also like that we have also put just the symbol here by itself. So if you want to use just the symbol and you don't want all this information, you can just put this on your storage containers or on your baggies. So it's wonderful. I love this image. I can't wait to show you guys everything. It also comes rolled up with this tag. It's got the elastic band. This tag is so cool. Obviously it's got the artwork on there. It's got the details. You can do several different things with it. Some people store their drills separate than their canvas, so they actually put this in the pack so they'll know which one goes to which drills go to which painting. And then also while you're storing your diamond painting until you work on it, you can wrap this around it just like it came, and it'll keep it nice and secure. Plus you'll know what painting it is, so you won't have to unwrap it to find out. You can also attach this to the carrying tube that we'll talk about at the end if you want to upgrade. Yeah, it's just got a lot of great features. So I really am enjoying this this tag right here that they include. You can also add things on the back. I mean, you can be really creative. And let us know down in the comments if there's other things that you could do with this tag, okay? Let me know. All right, so I want to talk about now I took some notes. Yes, I did. I took notes, y'all, where all the special drills go. It is incredible where they have placed all the drills with so much thought, and it highlights, shades, different areas, and it's just perfect. All right, so let's start with these. Here's all of our specials. I guess I need to show you the color palette. I'm so excited. All right, so here's the special drills, but let me show you guys our other drills. You get 2 bags of drills, okay? They are individually bagged and in order, which I love it. They come in little Ziploc bags. So if you want to work straight out of baggies, you can do that. And of course, it's got that SKU number. It says 1 of 2, so you know that there's 2 bags. But look at this beautiful color palette. We've got orange. There's lots of pastels, and then you also have some darker neutral colors. I love how there's a combination of both. And then of course you've got yellows, you've got greens, pinks, more neutrals, it's just got a great, color palette of just covering all the different colors. I am absolutely in love with this. Just beautiful. All right, so here's our, like I said, shimmer drills, okay? The shimmer, see, it's got a little coating on there. You can see it's just a little dusting of a coating. This is 318 shimmer drill. It's like a gray, kind of like a steel, like a slate color, I want to say, like a grayish blue. And then we have a 963 shimmer, so it's a really pretty blush pink. Then we have a 964, which is a great bag. This is a big bag, and that's like a turquoise color, another shimmer. Then we have another shimmer. We've got like it's a brown, kind of like with some gold tones in there, and that's 3860. And then we've got 2 bags of 3865 shimmer. Now this is almost like an off-white color, okay? So we'll see where those go. There's so much. And then here's the 3 ABs. We've got 210, which is a darker purple, 211, which is a lighter shade of purple, and then 5200, which is that white AB. So it's just, I mean, they really did a great job in all the different colors and where they're gonna go, and I'll show y'all right now. Okay, so this gray, this is gonna be in the bottom of the painting. And I noticed when looking at the painting, it's like you've got it's darker down here. I wanna say darker, but you've got some, deeper colors, let's say. And then as you go up the painting, it gets lighter and lighter and lighter. It's just really, really cool. So this one is in the bottom of the grass, okay? You can kind of see it. It's kind of like in this, kind of just in the little sprigs of the grass, right here into the bunnies. I can see it here. It's just kind of, kind of aligned in the grass between these plants. So it's gonna be right there. And I almost think that they use this like as a shading. Like some of them are highlighting, this is more of a shading. I also see it in the fox right here, in the fox, like his chest right here. Just a little bit on this side, on the right over here of the fox. It's in the mountains. It's in the peaks of the mountains back here, right here, and in these mountains, and right here. Okay, so it's gonna highlight those mountains. So you can see how it's kind of working itself up. In the bear's face right here, again, on this side. Again, it's kind of like the light coming in. They did a really great job of the shading. So it's gonna be right here on the bear's face and on a little bit on his paw down here. And yeah, I just think it's a great color. I'm not really used to 318 being a shimmer drill, so I really, really like this. And the drills look really good, by the way. It's the only time it's good to have a flat bottom, right? All right, so that's our first one. The next one's gonna be 72, and that is this really pretty blush pink, just a little bag of this. And this is gonna be in the sky, okay? So it's gonna be in the sky right here. I can see it, let me see, it's this symbol right here. Okay, it's right here, it's right here in the sky, this light pink right here, okay? So it's kind of just highlighting some areas, kind of like right here in the center where there's some lighter pink. It's also gonna be in the teapot right here. It's in the teapot, and also it's in the some of the smoke, the steam, I should say, from some of this coming up. So it's gonna be up there and down in here. So that's gonna be really, really pretty. I love that color. All right, 73. Ooh, this is really pretty turquoise. That is 964. And that's gonna be, okay, so it's gonna be on the edges over here, kind of on the outside, kind of where it's starting to, you can start to see the sky on the sides. It's gonna be highlighting this area right here. It's also gonna be in the blue of the clouds, okay? It's the question mark, so I see it a lot in these clouds. Right here kind of like these like puffs of smoke almost. It's going to be highlighting this area right here and all the little swirls of the clouds, okay? That's going to be so pretty. And I see it right here surrounding these stars. It's going to be all up here in the blue of the sky, okay? All right. Okay, our next one is 3860, and it's that brown, and I want to show y'all real close. See those like little gold, because it's a shimmer, it's got these gold tones to it, kind of this gold. It's really, really pretty. It's like a copper color. I love this in a shimmer. It's really, really pretty. So where this is going to be, again, I think it's going to be a lot of the shading, kind of like the grayish blue was. You're going to see this in the bunnies right here, kind of in their bums, kind of in their butts right here, highlighting. It's also going to be right here. You can kind of see just the kind of highlighting the darker shades of that brown. It's also going to be in the log, the brown that's coming up from some of the pieces of the log right here. It's in the deer. So it's in the deer right here and right here. And then it's like in almost every single animal. It's also in the bear, highlighting right here, kind of shading, right? More shading. And it's also in the fox. I mean, they've just did a great job of kind of just putting different colors where they need to go. It's also in both trees. Yes, it's right here in this tree, in this branch, and also in this branch up here. So it's really just incorporating like all the different elements in the center. So I love that. So that's that really pretty brown gold tone one. All right, the next one is this 3865, and that's gonna be these two. I mean, this is a lot, y'all. Look at all these special drills that have been included in this painting. I love it. Thank you, M. 3865 shimmer. Now that's gonna be, it's a lot of the background and in the sky, okay? And it's also starting in the outside of these trees as well. So it's kind of starting right here to kind of get you ready, right? And then the majority of it is going to be in here, all up here in the sky. A lot of the white that you see, all in this background. It's all right here, all in this background. Yep, even in here between the clouds, the trees. So this background is going to be so pretty. Next, now we're going to be going into the ABs, okay? The Aurora Borealis. And you can tell the coating is a little bit, you know, I wouldn't say thicker, but it's a little bit heavier, right? You can see that it really just kind of is like a rainbow effect. All right, so the first one we're going to look at is 210. And that is the darker purple. It's a little bit darker than the other one that we're going to be looking at. So a little bit of a lighter lavender color. Now this 210 will be in the steam of the teapot, okay? It's all here in the steam. And also of the tea, okay? The smaller little teacups. Yes, it's kind of coming up from that. I love that. That's gonna look so good in that purple. And the 211 is actually gonna be that lighter purple, and it's also in some of the steam. So it's gonna be these two colors in the steam coming up from the different pots. This one, the cups, and then this pot of tea. All right, the last one is 5200 AB. And that one's going to be, it's in the, I almost see these as being stars. Can you kind of see the little white spots right here? Yeah, there's like little white speckles, like really pretty. It's almost like, because it's like a magical scene, right? I love how she does that. You can see right here, all the little white. This was going to be that white AB. Okay, so it's kind of starting up from here, okay? And then it's also going to be in the fox's ears right here. Again, they want to highlight some of the animals. It's also going to be in the deer's chest, kind of like right here in his neck. And it's also, again, in the steam of the fox's teacup right here. So you guys, this painting is just unbelievable. I love it so much. It's just beautiful. Okay, so let's talk about if you choose to do a premium upgrade for your kit. There's several different options that you can do. If you want to upgrade to a premium toolkit, you will get we've got this pastel. You'll get the large pastel yellow tray. Okay, this is just a swatch. I'll put a picture of the actual real size. So it'll be one of the larger trays in this beautiful yellow color. Like I said, pastel yellow. And then it will have a stopper and a lid, okay, on top of it. So you'll get that. In addition to that, she also will give you you'll get a large bag, and she does add some extra goodies in here as well. But you get a novelty pen, you get a cover minder, you get some blue wax, you get some washi tape, you also get tweezers, a pen, and like I said, she'll toss in some other fun things in there. It's always a surprise. So you'll get this organza bag. And then of course, if you need a toolkit, you can get a free toolkit. We just don't put one in there because we're trying to save on waste. A lot of us don't need toolkits, but if you need one, there's a drop-down menu and just choose free toolkit. And this is the free toolkit that you'll get. It's got everything you need if you're a beginner and you need one. So go ahead and include that in there. It's got the tray, the pen, the wax, everything you need, okay? And then you can also upgrade to a dust cover bag. These are awesome. Love these bags. They're beautiful, really nice fabric bag. They've got the drawstring right here, the ribbon drawstring. And what this is now this is the color that you'll get. It does come with an extra large purple, okay? So we chose purple for this. And this is a great way to store your diamond painting. And like I said, you can also, speaking of that tag earlier, you can also hang this off of there. So if you're storing it, it'll kind of hang off and you can see, what painting it is. And it keeps it from getting dust. It's great to travel with. If you just want to put it in your suitcase, kind of just keeps it protected. So yes, yes, yes. Love these dust cover bags. You can add one of those to your cart. And then you can also add, here's the telescoping carrying tubes. It does have Munimade's logo on there. These are unbelievable. These are so helpful, you guys. Traveling, going to a retreat, these are just awesome. Also storing your diamond paintings. Again, you can have this hanging off. I've got several of these tubes in my closet and they're just hanging like this so I can see what painting it is. Now, this just screws right off, okay? This is telescoping depending on the size of the painting that you have. The strap is adjustable. You just pull it and you can make it as long as you need. And then depending on the size of your painting, you can just notch it. I mean, it gets really, really long. So yeah, these are so, so helpful. And if you order one of these, so go ahead and add these to your cart if you don't have one already, and your painting will actually come rolled up inside this and it'll protect it, okay? All right, so one more thing I did want to add. If you're seeing this video and this is out of stock, go ahead and sign up for the back in stock alerts on the website. And that way you'll get alerted whenever it's back in stock because she does restock, okay? And again, remember, I'm doing a Kat Fedora event in July. So either this one, or if you like her artwork, go check out some of her other paintings. Em does have some other paintings that are available still from Kat. So yes, go check her out. All right, you guys, if you can hear the sound of my voice, this painting, a book club from Kat Fedora, is available now on munimade.com. Run over there, grab it, grab it, grab it, enjoy it. It's just phenomenal. That's how I'm gonna leave it. It's phenomenal. So thanks for watching and we'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye guys.